Membrane switches have long service life. They endure lots of pressing. When operating the panel, you only need to flick the shrapnel slightly. The membrane switch works well for more than 1 million time pressing. Therefore, as long as the following requirements are met during producing, the long lifespan of the membrane switches can be guaranteed. Good material. Membrane switches are made of high-quality material that owns excellent mechanical and chemical properties to withstand long-term work and environmental factors. Reasonable design scheme. The design must take into account the application environment and working condition. We put suitable material and structures into use. Excellent manufacturing process. Membrane switches require sophisticated technology and equipment to ensure product accuracy and consistency. Strict quality control. We have high standard of quality control. Unqualified products must be eliminated. Generally speaking, good material, reasonable design scheme, excellent manufacturing process, and strict quality control are the reasons for the long service life of membrane switches.